Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, heated and cooled front seats, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.